Babylon, the time is counting. Inna your mess, you be drowning. You take get a youth life for a joke thing. One day you a go tell God something.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. Say for the first time y'all check out the Chaddy More TV. Don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime I upload videos like these, you definitely are gonna be the first to know. And people, don't forget to like and follow the page on Facebook and follow me on Instagram as well. Now, the topic what me I gonna talk about, one topic today. Me I go review this song when me just playing at the intro, which is entitled Ghetto Cry and a Tommy Lee sing it. And we kinda have some good news for Tommy Lee. Yes, we have some good news for Tommy Lee. So just sit back and relax and enjoy this review.
Yeah, Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes!
We know this for a fact. A long time ghetto youth a get pressure. Long time. You see me? Long time dancehall I get pressure. A matter of fact, them just don't like to see people forward successful out of the ghetto. So it don't care what you do, you are gonna get pressure. Cause them no feel like say you fit in the same league as them. Them no feel like say you fit just walk in a car mart and just pick up one of the most expensive car out of it and buy cash. Not one car loan. You don't have to pay no monthly payments. Them no feel like you as a ghetto youth supposed to just go to a real estate agent and buy a house cash for y'all $10 million or $20 million. No, them want you go through NHT. Them want you stay in a poverty. I saw the circle going, I saw the life go. You see me? Like them continue to get rich and just we continue to get poor. So when I get to youth like Tommy Lee, you know, break through the gate and start doing things by him own, them vex about it and them try every little thing for hold down that youth. And a whole heap of time them do it. Now people, Tommy Lee dropped this song when he Ghetto Cry. And me I tell him I feel it to my heart. Because guess what? Tommy Lee is not only just singing a song. Him a put him all emotions in it. A matter of fact, him a put him experience in it. Now watch your style, you know. Before we talk about the song, you know. Before we talk about the song, cause the song bad. And big up yourself, Tommy Lee. We have to talk about a ruling that was handed down by the Supreme Court. By a Supreme Court judge today. For the detention of 5 men under this SOP, under the state of emergency. And according to that judge, him claims that it was unconstitutional. Meaning it's illegal. Meaning it should have never happened. Now, my question is, what going for Tommy Lee? And that we are going to talk about right now.
Cause me do good for me community. Send enough youth go a school still. Show me just a show a little love still. But the system have we ever done still?
Now, in the past 4 years, Tommy Lee has been called for questioning and taken under the state of emergency as well. Detained under the state of emergency 3 times. In the past 4 years, no, 3 times. And remember, all of these charges or allegations laid against him was acquitted. A matter of fact, he was only charged once 6 years ago and he got that acquitted. All of these questioning, suspicious thing, he was never charged. Them just pick him up under the state of emergency and let him go. The last time he was picked up was on July the 7th and he was released on August the 17th ahead of the September 3rd elections. Now remember, you know, when election did go on, them say, yo, here we know, we are going to stop the state of emergency thing and we are going to let go everybody and just cut off the state of emergency. Just in time for the September 3rd election. But we not talk about that something because we know them style already. We not talk about that. We are talk about Tommy Lee and the amount of time he has been detained, and because of that, him supposed to lose him supposed to lose millions of dollars. But right now things are look bright for Tommy Lee because 5 men today under the same charge where Tommy Lee would not charge the government or sue the government. The judge rule in their favor. That are the 5 men them go in front the court for the same thing. The judge rule in their favor. A matter of fact, the judge say it is unlawful for someone to be detained like that without reasonable suspicion that they have committed a crime. A matter of fact, me I make you hear this clip. And me have to big up Nationwide Radio for this one.
In a 64-page judgment, Justice Morrison outlined why the detention of the men was unlawful. The presiding judge said he was unhesitant in holding that the claimants' constitutional rights and the Constitution itself was being breached by their detention and what he described as the executive detention system. He further ruled that the detention order was also unlawful. Detention orders under the SOEs were issued by the National Security Minister. Justice Morrison ruled that the use of the orders for the imprisonment of the detainees for criminal cases without a proper review breaches the separation of powers doctrine. However, Justice Morrison said what he described as a laxly worded regulation is void for vagueness and providing too general a power to the National Security Minister. He has ruled that the detention of the men at the will of the executive is violation of the Jamaican Constitution. The presiding judge has further ruled that aspects of the Emergency Powers Act were in conflict with the Constitution. He notes that the Act makes reference to parts of the Constitution that have been repealed. Meanwhile, Justice Morrison has granted orders for the detainees to seek compensation. He told the court it cannot be that in a free and democratic society, persons are held in custody for an inordinately long time, then released, then go away with no compensation. He further reasoned that wasn't his understanding of the law. Tona Thomas for Nationwide News.
Tommy Lee lawyer Ernest Smith was also contacted, and this is what he has to say about the matter.
I said, insofar as the detention of Mr. Leroy Russell is concerned, or was concerned, that is Mr. Tommy Lee, his detention was based entirely on malice. And the state of emergency was used as a cover to perpetuate years of malice generated towards him by a certain police officer in the parish of St. James.
I don't wanna tune into my ego, but sometimes I like people. Stay by myself and I found trouble find me and police in a meeting.
Me never know say if a particular police feel say him don't like you, him can just take you and lock you up in a jail, so. Him can just lock you up. Because basically that Ernest Smith has said, Tommy Lee lawyer, he must say, all of this are gone because of one policeman in a St. James a carry belly for Tommy Lee, malice Tommy Lee like some big. Anyway, still, what Tommy Lee do to that policeman? Me have a feeling say probably Tommy Lee just got some booms and take away one of him girlfriend, or probably Tommy Lee a deal with him daughter some farmer. We with him no like, but we not getting a that. That no give him no right for deal with the DJ like that. I'm really hope say Tommy Lee come through with a sue something. I'm really want Tommy Lee to get some compensation. People, a long time them a do Tommy Lee this long time. So them lock him up, I saw them let him go. So them lock him up, I saw them let him go. And me feel like say them thing have to stop now. Remember, them do squash that last year. Squash got jail for like 1 year. Oh, it's not last year. It would have been the year before last. You see me? And them free him up last year. But practically a year, squash did their jail for. Can't come out. And that's why the dog of it, they are foreign right now. I would guess. I mean, a lot of people are say so. Say the man just done with Jamaica and gone because him can't take the pressure for police just lock you up and you not do nothing. Police just come for you, lock you up and let you go. Them do Dexter Daps the same thing. Lock you up, let you go. Lock you up, let you go. I don't know. Me no know. You see me? But as what I say, I really hope everything come true for Tommy Lee. People who need to go and go check out the song that Ghetto Cry. It's really a powerful song. Powerful song. The song that depend on different meds. You see me? So just go and go listen it and pray it. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about the topics we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And guess what? A one way and any other way are the wrong way. My gone.